Hey lovelies, it's Sunguana Boss Collective, and today we're going to be talking about being your own resource. So we're going to be talking about creator programs, and this is part 8 of the 30-day series. There will be 4 or 5 videos coming out this week, and yeah, let's just get started. So this is the guide to creator programs. You can find all of these guides on my Notion template and also on my course that I created, the 100K Loyalty Masterclass, on my website. And my website is hunguanabosscollective.com. You can find it in the links on my main channel. So, one of the creator programs that's really useful to me is called Uscreen. So Uscreen is a program that has an all-in-one membership that is video based. So just like YouTube, you can post videos on there, except you can basically make it into where they can't see any of the videos unless they have a paid subscription. So that's where it differs from YouTube, because YouTube you can see all the videos for free, and you can make some of them membership based, but you can't make all of them membership based, or else you just won't have any people watching you on there. So you basically make membership only content, and you don't have to have it posted on Vimeo or your YouTube first. You can post it directly on there. There is different costs based on how many videos you're going to be posting per month, and based on what you're looking for amenities, not amenities, but what was it called? Features. Yeah. So the next program for creators is called TubeBuddy. And TubeBuddy is a channel optimization management program that helps creators and brands grow their channel. So you can find a lot of different features on there. Specifically, you can back up all your content and be easily able to find the links if you ever have a problem with the video being deleted by accident. You can also do A/B testing, which is you can put 2 thumbnails and see which one does better and then choose based on that. You can have a channel audit, where they do an audit of the entire channel and tell you what you need to work on and what you're doing well. You can there's like a whole list where you can keep all of your video ideas, and then you can also compare your channel to other channels to see how you're doing views wise, other ways to like your retention, and also like the viewers that are watching your videos, like what channels that they're watching, other channels they're watching that are watching you. And then yeah, so the way you can use it is you can follow the guides to optimize your channel, and you can create custom thumbnails, add annotations, and schedule videos. So you used to be able to add links to the top right corner, and it basically helps you. There's like a 7-step process that TubeBuddy follows, and it checks off each thing for each video. So it tells you what you're missing. If you're missing end cards, or you're missing annotations, or you're missing tags, it'll fill it in, and also it'll help you fill it in via AI. And if you want to change your title, it'll help give you an AI title and a description and all that lovely stuff. So then we have the next one, which is vidIQ. So it's a program that helps you optimize videos on YouTube, similar to TubeBuddy, except both of TubeBuddy and vidIQ have Chrome extensions. And when you fill those Chrome extensions, you get access to even more help on your channel, and you get access to even more information. So when you go to a specific video, you can see how much that video is succeeding based on retention, watch time, views, comparisons to other channels, what tags they used, and how they they do their strategy. So it also has the features of adding tags and all that. You have to pay for these programs if you want the top features of all of them, and they also give discounts on other creator programs as well. So if you follow the steps to boost the videos and subs, it's a great way to boost SEO. The next one is YouTube Creator Academy. This one is free, and there's free online lessons and courses from other creators and other people who work directly from YouTube. And you can use it to strengthen your YouTube skills, build an audience, and optimize your channel for success. There's about 14 courses, and when you're finished, you can print off a actual certificate to prove that you completed it and to prove that you have the knowledge to use it and apply it. So with that said, there is other programs. There's hundreds of other creator programs, but these are the top 4 that I would suggest you use right away if you're starting a new channel, or even if you're an advanced creator. Those are the programs you should be using. Patreon is also a great program, but the difference is that with Patreon, I know that you have to usually post the videos to YouTube and then just post the links to Patreon. And the problem with that is that if you're making content that you only want on a specific platform, it forces you to have to do double the work. So it's kind of better to just do the work once and then reap the rewards than have to do it twice. And sometimes it can take a while to upload a video. And yeah. Anyways, that is part 8 of being your own resource. I'm really looking forward to the next week and sharing some more with you. Basically, the next one here, I'll just tell you so you know what to look forward to, is called Guide to Perfecting Your Script. So if you have trouble with scripts, or you have trouble with creating a plan for your videos, this will be great for you. So I'll see you guys in the next one, and have a good night.